Hey, what's going on, guys? Got an unboxing and first impressions video for you today on a Schuyler Bible. This one is the ESV Treveris in black goatskin with the full yap. And as always, the Schuyler Bibles come in this beautiful, durable, black clamshell box. So let's go ahead and open this Bible up. Before I open it, I want to kind of give you the reason why I got this Bible. I am beginning seminary here soon, and I wanted to get a good Bible that I can read from. I use the Schuyler Quintel in black goatskin ESV translation for my daily carry. It's a fantastic Bible to prepare teaching notes, to do Bible study, to teach from. But it's not as user-friendly just to read from. It's not really a reader edition. It's 2-column paragraph format. And so I wanted to get a reader volume. And so I went with the Treveris, and I'm looking forward to using this Bible. So let's go ahead and pop it open. Clamshell box. Of course, they've got the 2 pieces of paper here. And the, wow, there's no Schuyler card like they typically give. Let's go ahead and peel back these layers. So here is the Bible, the Schuyler Treveris black goatskin full yap. This Bible is the perfect size. I do wish they would make a Quintel in this size. That would be phenomenal. But looking at the Bible, you've got the beautiful, smooth, grainy goatskin. Very pleased with how this goatskin looks. Of course, you've got the Jerusalem cross here. Now, one thing I've noticed, and I've heard this from other reviewers, is that, and you can see this yourself, the Jerusalem cross is not centered on the Bible. It is centered with the yap, the amount of leather they have, but when you fold the Bible over, it is slightly to the right of the text block. And along with other Bible reviewers, other people, other pastors who have this Bible, I do wish they had the Jerusalem cross centered on the Bible. It's not super noticeable, but if you pay attention, you'll notice it. Of course, we've got the perimeter stitched on the corners there and on the outline of the Bible. Then you've got this etched lining that circles or that squares around the text block. Looking at the spine, you get 6 raised hubs, Schuyler Holy Bible, English Standard Version. Looking at the back of the Bible, same thing as the front, just no Jerusalem cross. This full yap here is a very nice yap. They use these so that rain and other things don't get on the gilding as easily. And it's something Schuyler's doing all around for all of their traditions across the board. Now, opening this Bible up, oh, there's the Schuyler card. They put it on the inside of the Bible. Typically, they put this in the inside of the box, but here we go. You open up the Bible, you've got this beautiful red calfskin inner liner with a red end sheet. Of course, this Bible is edge-lined, which promotes the longevity of the Bible. It's very important to have a Bible with this edge line because it's going to last you a much longer time. The corners here are pleated pretty well. I love it. You've got the gold art gilding around the perimeter of the inner liner. And then, of course, opening the Bible, you've got your presentation page. It does seem to be that this edge line is very stiff. Very, very stiff. So hopefully that breaks in over time. You've got Holy Bible, content page, all of that good stuff. And then just going to open it up. You've got the text. And I can tell, man, this edge line is poking up through the text. So I really hope that softens up over time. That's kind of concerning. Let me try and get a better view here. You can kind of tell this edge line right here is poking up into the text block, and it's not allowing it to lay as flat as I would like it to. But hopefully, again, that loosens up over time. Opening it up to the center of the Bible is not as noticeable, but you will see here this Bible, this Treveris, has a single column paragraph format. Let me get to the Gospels here. Matthew here. So it's single column paragraph format. The verse numbers are right here on the outside of the text block. And then you've got the chapter number there with the drop caps. The way these verse numbers work is, okay, verse 8 picks up at the first capital letter of the sentence. And so this Bible is great for reading. It's not the best Bible for Bible study or teaching, in my opinion, but hopefully this Bible will be a great Bible to read from and use in seminary. Again, in seminary, you do read quite a lot. There's a lot of books to read, and there's a lot of scripture to read. And so I wanted to get a Bible that would help me in that context. Moving back to the back of the Bible, you have a concordance, a 2-column concordance, which is unique for Schuyler. Typically in the other Bibles, they have a 3-column concordance. As other reviewers have mentioned, related to this Bible, it's kind of odd that they would have a concordance. Typically, concordances are best in Bibles for Bible study and other means of study. It's not as necessary in a reader version, but nonetheless, they have it in here. One of the things I really wish they did not have is their maps. I understand that I understand why Bible publishers do put maps in their Bibles, but I wish that they would do a poll on who actually uses the maps, because the maps, in my opinion, take up an excessive amount of space that isn't really needed, in my opinion. So that's just my thoughts. But at the end of the Bible, you get these softer blank pages. They're a bit thicker than the 28 GSM. They're probably 40 plus GSM. You get a few of those, and then you've got the cardstock blank pages that you can use. The edge line on this back end of the Bible is just as pronounced as the front, and I can see that this would cause some tearing right here in the years to come, which it's done in my Quintel. I've had to put some Gorilla Tape on that inner liner there just to keep it from tearing through. But again, edgeline Bibles are meant to last a lot longer. It doesn't mean they're perfect. They're going to have some issues down the road, of course, like anything else would. But nonetheless, this Bible is a fantastic Bible. I'm looking forward to reading from this in the days to come, kind of give it a feel, see how I like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will drop a link in the description below to check out their Treveris ESV. And of course, they also make this in a few other translations as well. God bless. We'll see you guys in the next one.